Hey sports fans, the Ripper coming back at you with a box of 2007 Upper Deck Elements. We'd actually busted one of these on the webcam, and turned out so bad I bagged it. Got another box to break for you here. We're going to open up one box per day, or one box per video. Make sure we don't run out of tape, or the video don't run long and become an issue like it has in the past. We'll start out with the Griffey box, I guess, since that's the one we grabbed. Got this from a card show I just got back from. It's okay little show, I guess. Only one guy really had boxes and packs and whatnot. So, here we go. Oh, I've come up with a new way of opening this stuff, by the way. Apologize if my cam's a little dark. I just burned out a bulb in my office here, and I didn't feel like going to get another one to replace it. My daughter's out there, and she'll wake up if she, or not wake up, but glom on to me if I go out there. So, our hit for the mini box ended up being on the back. It's one hit per mini box, one game used autograph, and one straight up autograph. 3 different technologies. This is technology 1. It's a Justin Marneau card, for example. Alfonso Soriano, Sheffield, Roland, Hafner, Ortiz, Alex Rodriguez. Base. Sweet hit. Rookie Elements, Josh Hamilton, number 327 to 550. Even though it's nowhere close to being his rookie. Mr. Feel-Good Story of the Major League season. Albert Pujols, Miguel Tejada, Adam Dunn, Rafael Furcal, Jason Bay, Michael Young, and our hit. Our hit is a dual Travis Hafner Essential Elements game used. Pretty sweet. So there you have it, sports fans. We'll be back with Mini Box 2 right after this. See you soon.